We know that the growth of factorial function is faster than the linear function. So our infinite sum is going to converge for sure. Let us say this sum equal to S. Now we'll find the general term. I am writing over here Sn. The general term would be n over n plus 1 factorial. Now we are going to add and subtract 1 in the numerator. So we'll write n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. Now we will split numerator with respect to denominator. We will write n plus 1 over n plus 1 factorial minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. Using recursive formula from factorials, we can write n factorial can be written as n times n minus 1 factorial, or n plus 1 factorial can be written as n plus 1 times n factorial, which we will apply here. So we can write Sn will be n plus 1 over n plus 1 times n factorial minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. Now we can cancel n plus 1 from here, numerator, and from the denominator. So we will get 1 over n factorial minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. This is the general Sn. Now we have to plug in n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So let's put n equal to 1. We will get 1 over 1 factorial minus 1 over 1 plus 1 factorial, 2 factorial. By putting n equal to 2, we will get 1 over 2 factorial minus 1 over 2 plus 1, 3 factorial. If I will put n equal to 3, I can write 1 over 3 factorial minus 1 over 4 factorial. If I will put n equal to capital N, so I can write here 1 over capital N factorial minus 1 over capital N plus 1 factorial. Now we will simplify. We have to cancel almost all the terms over here except first and last. We can write S will be 1 over 1 factorial minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. Now we know that 1 factorial is 1. So we can write 1 factorial equal to 1. S will become 1 over 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. 1 over 1 is 1. So we will write S will be 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. Now if n tending to infinity, 1 over n plus 1 will tend to 0. So 1 over n plus 1 factorial will tend to 0. So this value will become 0. So we are going to get infinite sum equal to 1. Our answer is 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.